Stop scrolling, you guys. Stop chasing for views. Stop begging for subscribers. This is a major reason why you're still broke and you still post on a daily basis. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 misconceptions that most creators, and especially the new creators, the ones who have not gone overboard to read, to understand, to get a mentor. These are 5 major misconceptions that they have when they are starting, and it has failed them because they are not getting money they are supposed to get. Before we dive in to these misconceptions that you should be aware of, and you should even avoid them, because I'm very sure that already you have them, because I had them at first. Before I dive in, I would love to say a big disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes. I'm not here to lure you into anything that is fishy or it is not appropriate. I'm giving you 10 to 5% of what you're supposed to have. You can research 2%, including me, we have used them. These are the tips mainly. So consider this video as educational. Don't consider it as a must. I say no, Imeto, go and research. And to my beautiful engagers, I love you so much. Thank you very much for making me come every day. When I'm seated, when you're watching and engaging, it's like I'm talking to you direct. It's like we are chit-chatting in one room. So I don't take you for granted. Let's dive in now and see what are these misconceptions. I had them, I've been with them, and those days when I was following them, I couldn't get money. I remained broke when even I'm coming every day. But when I came to know them, I know even if you know them and begin with them, you'll not be broke anymore. So the first one is, I need more views before I can earn. Who told you this? This is a misconception. This is something that has been stuck in many people. When someone comes, he will just run and check how many views is she having. She's telling us about making money, but how many views? Okay, I'm better than you because I have many views and you have less views. How many views does she have? It makes me remember one of the young girls that I was working with. It was a church-based platform, and she really brusted me because of my views on Facebook. Baby, my dear, it's not about views. Now you're going to know that most creators think money comes from views. After you reach 100k views, 1 million views, it's not like that. The truth is, money comes from strategy. Money comes from not views. You might have you might have views, but you're broke. And I have less views, I have money. So stay tuned. Get to know that 10,000 views might offer you nothing. 1 million views might offer you nothing. And 100 views might offer you good sale, good money, good income. If you're a creator right now, you're watching me on YouTube and Facebook, you know what it means. Because views don't contribute to money unless it is views with engagement, views with the duration, views with reality. So views are attention. They give you attention. That's why you see when we are going to pin a video, we pin a video with many views because we want to have your attention. But doesn't mean that having views is money. Also get to know that money is conversion. We need you to, it's like how many people have entered. If you've now opened my video, this video watching, how long have you been watching it? That is conversion. If you're in retail, you know those retail metrics. I've converted you. It doesn't matter what I'm giving, but if you get interested and keep watching, that is real money. So money is conversion. The second misconception is about subscribers and followers first. Most people think if I get many followers, if I get many subscribers, it means I have money. No. Oh, I should get them first to get money. No. You then need 10,000 followers to get money, to be financially okay, to earn from monetization. No, you don't need 10,000 subscribers to be a big giant as far as money is concerned. No, that's why you'll see most people are being misled by the so-called who call themselves influencers. The moment they get a lot of subscribers, followers on TikTok, on Facebook, they become big. And this has encouraged most beginners to look and go and buy for subscribers and followers, which is very wrong. Your followers, your subscribers don't give you money. That is a big misconception. Why should you have 1 million followers and you cannot pay your bills on a monthly basis from social media? Let me know. Put it in the comment section. So you need 1,000 people who trust you, not a million. You guys, this is what makes me comfortable. If the 1,000 people trust me on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, and I earn every day from the content I put, from the products you sell, from brands, you will sit and look. You're okay, you're comfortable. So a small audience that believes in you will give you money, will buy, will click for your links, will join your WhatsApp groups, and even follow recommendations. I don't believe in masses. I believe, and this is how social media is working. So please remove that from your followers and subscribers. Don't pay. What pays is trust and value. Let's see. The third is I must be monetized by the platform first. Some of you, when you've not yet reached 1,000 subscribers, or you've not yet gotten 10,000 followers on Facebook, you feel you cannot be monetized. You can be monetized. Why not? Don't wait to be monetized. That is a misconception, and it is to those people who are not going to get the knowledge, who are not there to convert themselves and say, no, I'm going to make social media part of my income. Yes, because if you put it in your mind, you're not going to concentrate on waiting to get 10K. You will know that there are other ways of getting money from your less followers, less subscribers, provided you know what you're doing. YouTube ads, TikTok creator fund, Facebook bonuses, these are side money, not main money. You can get more money from other things. Like, for example, I always tell you about affiliate links. I tell you about WhatsApp selling of products. I tell you about driving traffic to WhatsApp. Yes, you know what our previous video, I tell you about promoting services. What are you good at? Use those use your platform to sell your skills, to sell your services. Then monetization will come later. You will sit and relax. You'll have streams of income. Business is real income as far as some people are concerned. I need expensive equipment to start. That is a big misconception. And this is what I've seen, especially to my people from East Africa, yes, you understand. They don't want to start who they are. Phone camera is enough, you guys. You don't need to have millions of money and go to invest in cameras, in studios, and all. People don't pay for quality, by the way. People pay for the value you're giving them. Your quality, you'll buy them and keep them. Most people have bought and kept them. They have never used them. So if you have clear message, you have clear value, you have nothing else. Right now, I've been using my phone camera. Why? Because I don't have time to go change. Yeah. So your smartphone is already your main money-making machine. If you know what to say, if you know what you want. The last but not least is I just need to go viral for once. People have done a lot of things in the name of going viral. Everyone wants viral. Everyone wants virality, wants to go viral. But viral videos give followers. They don't give money. Consistent value gives money. If you're consistent, you'll get money, not followers, and of which followers might not be converted. Many viral creators are still broke because they don't know how to turn virality into income. They are posting the things that people want to listen to see, but they don't want to consume. Yes, don't chase virality. Don't chase variable and repeatable content. You can mix it to get your audience go gaga. What you need to do, you need to stop creating for views, start creating for income. And these 5 misconceptions, if you concentrate and grab them and remove them out of your mind, you're going to go far. Don't still be broke when you're a content creator, when you want to have money on a monthly basis. Thank you very much. Let me see in another video.